Hello, my budding mathematicians. I want to talk about the biggest misconception in people about this subject, mathematics, right? So, I have heard people saying that this is the most difficult subject, I can't understand anything. But the biggest problem is we run after mugging up things, right? So there are a lot of formulas that are there in mathematics, but I would say this is the most easiest subject if taught in a proper manner and if it is understood by the students in a correct way. So I don't think there's anything easiest than this subject to understand, right? So because if you talk about the approach, the approach generally followed, that is generally followed, is uh, uh, writing down all the formulas and remembering the when and where to use these formulas. This is the general approach that we follow, right? So if we come across a problem, we will look for some kind of formula to solve that problem, right? But we don't understand the basic concept behind the problem, right? So that is why even in competitive exam coaching classes, students are given a list of formulas that okay, this is the list, and this is used in this scenario. But unless you have a clear cut understanding of that particular scenario, I don't think you would be able to solve a complex problem. But if you have an understanding of this concept, then I think our CBSE syllabus is more than sufficient to cover most of the syllabus that is asked in any of the competitive exams. So students, there is nothing to to be afraid of this subject. This is the most easiest subject, and the only skill set that is required for this subject is your analytical thinking and logical thinking. You are not asked to write a lot in this subject, right? All you are asked is to write step by step, with logic, right? With every step you need to ask the question to yourself, why I am writing this step, right? Why, what, and how. These are very important terms that you need to keep in mind. And while understanding, in fact, in understanding any subject, these are very important. So unless you have an answer to these three, why, what, and how, you won't be able to understand things clearly. So I believe if things are taught in a correct manner, definitely this subject is going to become easier for students, right? So I've just started a YouTube channel and to teach mathematics to class 11th and class 12 CBSE, and I'll try my best to make things a lot easier for them to understand, right? But I need your support and contribution for me to grow this channel. Thank you so much.